Sanibona bakithi, mina ngiwaseshowe kaMondi. Uyazi bengithi ngiyathula, kwangathuleka. Kuhle ngoba lento ngizoyiposta epagini lami. Ngoba ngiyibona epagini lomuntu, ngiphendula umuntu. Nakhona futhi ngikhonjiswa ngenxa yokuthi kuyabonakala ukuthi lento ekhulunywayo iqondene nami ngoba phela imina umuntu ofike wagcoba umuntu ngo-oil, oil owaziwa yithini ukuthi yini, kodwa ukuthi u-fish oil angazi-ke, ngikuzwe namhlanje u-fish oil. Ngingeke futhi ngisho ukuthi u-oil onjani. Kuyaye kube kuhle ukuthi umuntu uma edinga ukusiza, uma efisa ukusiza asize ngendlela yakhe, asize nje ngaleyo ndlela afuna ukusiza ngayo. Ebese ngabagxeki abanye abafike basiza ngendlela bebesiza ngayo. Kuyaye kube kuhle futhi ukuthi ube khona endaweni ngesikhathi kwenzeka isigameko, ngoba esigamekweni uzofika ubone ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Kubi ukuthi ule la ukhona ebese ufika la uzokhuluma inoma yini. Kulungile-ke ngimgcobe ngefish oil. Ngimgcobile-ke usisi uSne wakwaNhlapho ohlala eMtuba, kuthiwa simgcobe ngefish oil. Ifish oil ehambelana nama-herbs asendalo enhle, Herbs and Beyond. Ama-herbs afike alungisa umuntu ngaphakathi. Le kuthiwa ifish oil bisifika yona nje iyaqedelela ekutheni isikhumba somuntu sibe healthy. Bekukuningi obekuhambelana nale ebekuthiwa ifish oil okungabonwanga abantu ngoba bebengekho. Isikhathi esiningi ngingathanda ukukhuluma ngoba ukukhuluma ukukhandela ukukhuluma, kodwa angifuni umuntu ogudla iguma. Khuluma nami ufuna ukukhuluma nami, ungaligudla iguma. Ngiyamcela-ke lowo omthandayo wena othe mina ngilapha abantu ngefish oil. Abanye bathi ngeke ngilingene izulu, abanye basho lokhu abakushoyo, abanye bayasho. Ngicela nimlethe-ke lo enifuna ogula ngakini eduze kwenu. Nimlethe, nimgade masimelapha nendalo enhle Herbs and Beyond. Nimgade, nisinike lo minimum 3 months esithi awusinike wona mangabe silapha umuntu. Nisinike wona ngoba akaze kusho thina ukuthi sewuyabonakala umehluko. Uma abantu bewubona umehluko kusho ukuthi abantu amehlo abo ane peace, amehlo abo ane positive energy, bayayibona into ezama ukwenzelwa uSne. Ngicela-ke nimlethe lo ogulayo otholwe yinina, hayi uSne. Lethani ogula ngakini simlaphe, mletheni.
Hello everyone, Ganuchisano and welcome to my channel. So that was actress Dawn Thandeka King responding to criticism from people claiming she used cooking oil while providing therapy and support to a 31-year-old KwaZulu-Natal lady, Snenhlanhla Khoza, living with a rare condition that has caused her to appear significantly older than her age. Snenhlanhla has been trending since Tuleleni TV posted her painful story earlier this month. A very painful and horrible lie was also trending that she slept with an African man that is not South African and ended up like that. Anyway, a few days ago, Dawn visited Snenhlanhla alongside Indalo Enhle and Beyond. I'm assuming she's affiliated to the company. They visited to offer help at Nonhlanhla's home in Duba, KZN. Criticism erupted when Dawn was seen applying some product from Indalo Enhle on Snenhlanhla. Some people started saying she's not being genuine, she's just doing it to trend, she just wants to advertise the products, blah blah blah. So the actress has since responded with that video saying it's better for someone who wants to help in his or her own way and not criticize others who are helping in their own way. She went on to say it's bad for someone from a distance to criticize those who are helping. She said the oil she used works alongside Indalo Enhle and Beyond herbs that heal people from the inside, and the oil is rubbed on externally to support and keep the skin healthy. Concluded by saying that they used many herbs that weren't seen by people because they were not present there. In other words, if you feel like you would have done better than she did, go be there. Go contribute your part. Don't criticize what she's done. By the way, every article I've read so far keep referencing the condition as a rare condition. I wonder what is the actual name of the condition that Snenhlanhla suffers from. Because we once had a young girl, Untlametse Palatse, who suffered from progeria syndrome. She only lived until 18 years. Doctors had even said she wouldn't make it to 14 years or something like that, so that's how extreme progeria is. But with Snenhlanhla, it looks like she made it through her 20s, her 30s even, without degenerating. So I wonder what is the actual condition. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.